Hello, it's a rather dark and dreary Thursday the 7th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. And interest rates are the main focus of the day. We've got the rate decision from the Bank of England and of course US rate expectations are rather denting the dollar, but they did help perk up the pound a little bit. So the MPC will wrap up their meeting this morning. They're likely to snip rates by about 25 basis points, which will take the base rate to 4%. Markets reckon Bailey is becoming a little more dovish and shifting his focus towards growth. So look for hints of more rate cuts to follow at the lunchtime press conference. More cuts before year end would certainly help pep up economic performance and would be good news for the mortgage market too, so one to keep an eye on. The NIESR has been on. The boffins over there have warned that if Reeves wants to balance the book and re-establish a bit of a buffer in the budget, she will need some rather whopping tax hikes or some fairly savage cuts to spending, as the latest estimates put the financial black hole at £41.2 billion. But where another tax grab or further cuts to the welfare budget could easily spark a revolt in Labour's left wing, the stakes are higher for Starmer and Reeves. Over in the US, outlooks are rebalancing and the market is now gearing up for a September rate cut from the Fed. July's payroll read was a bit of a shocker, so where the labour market is cooling, the downside risks may force their hand, outweighing any tariff-driven inflation risk that lingers for the time being. The dollar is feeling the heat from all this sentiment shift. The dollar index pulled back to about 98.20 yesterday. Across the channel, France is stealing the show in the Eurozone. June economic output rose 3.8% across the channel, with aerospace and energy outperforming forecast. German figures are due out today, where a contraction is on the cards, but France helped the euro higher yesterday. That topped out around 116.60, buoyed by the dollar jitters. We kick off this morning around 133.70 against the dollar, 114.55 against the euro, and euro dollar is up at around 116.75 on the open. That's it from me. Gonna dash from the rain. Have a good day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.